Today, I will show you how to create your own AI assistant using Python and Gemini API using text-to-speech software. Google released new Gemini API for free. Everyone can use it on trials. Now search Gemini API on Google. Then, click the first website that shows up. Here you should create an account using your email. In the models, you can see API. Here there are different plans that include a free version with limited requests. If you want limitless, you should subscribe the premium version. Now select the new Gemini API. There is a free one version on API. You can select it and try to use it now. Try on Google Studio. You can get API key by creating an API key from selecting a project and create an API key. Next step is that get the API key, copy it, and go back to the coding section. I will give you the code in the description. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new Python file and copy the code from the description. This is the code for the AI assistant. Make sure you download all the required libraries such as Python, SX3, speech recognition, Google Generative AI. Now copy the older API key in this API key section and do all this code. .api endpoint. Make sure to replace the URL in the ask_Gemini function with the correct Gemini API endpoint from their documentation. Environment variables. Store your API key securely in an environment variable instead of hard coding it in the script. There is a customizing area. You can customize your greets and ways of your wish. This is the chatting section and all. Now let's try a demo section. This is a bat file. It appears as a folder in the desktop. If you click it, the code will run itself.
I am your
from a
assistant,
notebook, which has the command.
How can I help you
or
today?
You can just run it in terminal of the code and run it. So it tells you, and you can speak to it back.
I am doing well.
I am here.
Thank you for asking.
Who is the president of USA?
How are you today?
So it gives the right answer.
The current president of the USA is Joe Biden.
So finally, the main function ties everything together. The assistant
Goodbye.
greets you, listens for your
day.
command, and generate a response using Gemini API and speak back to you.